How Pakistan celebrates Independence Day, 14th August, special. Every year, on the 14th of August, Pakistan comes alive with colors, lights, and pure excitement. Let's take a tour of the celebrations. 1. Flag raising ceremonies. The day starts with the sound of the national anthem. Green and white flags rise high in schools, offices, and public squares. It's a moment that fills every heart with pride. 2nd, colorful street decorations. From Karachi to Islamabad, streets shine with lights, banners, and flags. Every building wears green and white, Pakistan's proud colors. 3rd, parades and air shows. In Islamabad, the Grand Parade steals the show. Military bands, disciplined soldiers, and Air Force jets fill the sky with stunning moves. You can even see jets painting green and white trails. 4th, special TV programs. Patriotic songs, dramas, and stories about freedom heroes take over TV screens. Families sit together, watching history come alive. 5. Cultural events and speeches. Schools and community halls host events full of joy. Kids sing Milli Nagme, give inspiring speeches, and wear traditional clothes. 6. Fireworks and night celebrations. When the sun sets, the real sparkle begins. Fireworks burst in the sky while families enjoy the cool night air from rooftops. 7. Traditional food and street stalls. From spicy samosas to sweet jalebis, food lovers have a feast. Some desserts even come in green and white to match the day's spirit. 8. Visiting historical places. Many people visit Minar-e-Pakistan or Quaid-e-Azam's mausoleum. It's a way to remember the struggle that gave us this freedom. Final note, Pakistan's Independence Day is more than just a date. It's a feeling of unity, pride, and love for our homeland. Happy Independence Day, Pakistan.